hate me, then I am sorry, my love's too much for you. But I'm not sorry for loving you.
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 I'm not sorry, I'm angry and tired and restless and sad. I'm stuck in the moments I swore that we had. I wish you would chase me or try to embrace